The first section of any research paper or thesis is usually the background of the study. Its job is to establish the context of the study as well as provide an overview of it. In doing so, it identifies the problem or gap the study is going to address and justifies the need in conducting it. Moreover, it articulates the main goal of the study as well as the thesis statement or its main claim or argument. It also explains why the proposed research is important and is essential to understanding better the field which it belongs to. To be more specific, the background of the study should contain the following points. Take note that these points are what readers and thesis examiners expect from any well-written background of the study. Number 1, a brief discussion on what is known about the topic. 2, the research problem or gap. 3, what the researcher would like to do or aim to achieve or the research goal. 4, the thesis statement, that is, the main argument or contention of the research, which also serves as the reason for the study. 5, the major significance or contribution of the study to a particular discipline. And 6, depending on the nature of the study, the hypothesis of the study. In writing a great background of the study, one should plan and structure it according to the points enumerated in this video. With these, one will have a clear picture of the flow of the writing tasks that need to be done. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and check out our research playlist for more related videos. Thank you and see you in our next ones.